Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in joining a class in Zoom using your computer. When your class meets through Zoom and you are using a computer, you can access Zoom right away without downloading the app. If you know the meeting ID, you can type it in your browser. Begin by typing zoom.us/j/ and type the meeting ID after this. When you are prompted, click the Open Zoom Meetings button. Enter the passcode when you are required. Then click Join Meeting. You can also click the Zoom meeting link when it is shared by your teacher in your online classroom. Enter the passcode when you are required, then click Join Meeting. You can also click the Zoom meeting link when it is shared by your teacher through an email. Enter the passcode when you are required. Then click Join Meeting. As you join Zoom, you may be placed temporarily in the waiting room. Wait for your teacher to admit you to the class. Click Join with computer audio when you are prompted to do so. Be mindful that your teacher makes the rules regarding the use of audio and video during the class. Once you are admitted into your teacher's Zoom room, you can participate in class using the many important features available for you in Zoom. You can find yourself anywhere on the screen with your name. You can also find your teacher and the other participants or students in Zoom. Notice that both your audio and your video are off. This could be part of your teacher's settings. You can turn on your audio by clicking the microphone icon when it is time for you to speak. Notice that the red cross line is gone to indicate that your microphone is now active. You can turn on your video by clicking the camera icon when it is time for you to show yourself. Notice that the red cross line is gone to indicate that your camera is now active. You can find the participants who joined the Zoom room. You, others, and the teacher who is usually the host. You can see if each participant's audio and video are turned on or off. While the participants box is active, you can invite participants to the Zoom meeting through email. You can mute or unmute yourself. and you can raise your hand virtually in Zoom. When you wish to share your screen with the class, your teacher, as the host, needs to give you permission to share your screen. When you are sharing your computer screen, you are notified that you are screen sharing. When you share your computer screen, it is shown to all participants in Zoom. When you are done sharing, click the red Stop Share button. Zoom allows participants to send messages in the chat box. Your teacher can send public messages to everyone or a private message to anyone. You type your message on the space found at the lower portion of the chat box. You can choose the thumbs up or the clap emoticon when you click the reaction button. The emoticon appears on your window for 5 seconds. When it is time to leave the Zoom meeting, click the red Leave button. Consequently, you are forced to leave Zoom when the host ends the meeting. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.